Myself Nandini and welcome to Drona Edu. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. Today you all have a very interesting chapter, okay? This chapter is going to be regarding games, okay? We are going to discuss about kabaddi and cricket. Okay, are you all excited about this chapter? Yes, come, let's get into the chapter. Have you all ever played cricket or have you all ever played kabaddi with your friends? In your schools, in your house, like in your playgrounds, have you all ever played these two games? So in this chapter, we are going to discuss about these two games especially. Now, you all have to tell me the exact players required for these games, okay? You all would have some ideas about these games, okay? When your elder friends or elder brothers play these games, you all will obviously guess what kind of game this would be, and it is very much interesting also. You have a game called kabaddi, okay? And this game is derived from Hindi and Punjabi, okay? This game is derived from the language called Hindi and Punjabi. And in the western country, okay, in the western side, they call it as Hututu, okay, they call it as Hututu, which is mean by kabaddi, and in the eastern side, they call as Hadudu. In the western, Hututu, and in the eastern, it is Hadudu. So these are the specific names which was given before they could name it as kabaddi. Okay. So this game is basically played by many players. Okay. They have two groups, that is two teams. They will have a team A and a team B. Okay. Can you all see the image of people playing kabaddi here? They have two teams here. There is team A and team B. Team A will have some consistent and team B will have some consistence there to be played this game. And there would be some people who are encouraging it, and somebody would be there to give them scores or to give them points, okay? So the basic game would be something like they will have some raider, okay? From one team, a person called as raider, and he would be called as raider. He will go to one team to another team, okay? The purpose of this game is one person will be sent to another team to touch any one person among that team, okay? They have to touch somebody there and come back to their original team, okay? The purpose of team A, I'm talking about one team here. It is the normal game, okay? You all have to not take it into advanced stage, okay? It is a normal game. It doesn't have critical stages in it. You have to just understand the procedures, that's all. This game, now this person goes to the team B, and you have to touch that person and come back. Touch somebody among them and come back. If he come back, he gets one score, okay? He gets 1 point. Now this is the procedure of team A. And if one person, that is the raider, is sent to the another team, he should be blocked by a chain of group, okay? They'll make a chain and he would be blocked. Can you all see the image how they are playing kabaddi? Yes, this is how they play kabaddi. This is how a person goes from one team to another team, and that group catch hold of this person, and if at all they catch hold of him, this team, the team B, is going to get point, and if he escapes them and come back to his team, he is going to get point. That is, the team A is going to get point. So this is the basic procedures or the basic steps to play Kabaddi. Okay, you all are clear with the game called Kabaddi. So this is how the Kabaddi is played. And now coming to cricket, and we are going to talk about some important person who gave a pride to Karnataka. Okay, when it comes to cricket and the person who is going to be a pride of Karnataka, have you all have any guess about that person name? Yes, is somebody who is very much prestigious and who is very much giving importance to the cricket field, and he is called as Anil Kumble. And now the chapter begins. The Jumbo of Indian Cricket, Anil Kumble. So we are going to talk about Anil Kumble today, and he is pride of Indian cricket and is pride of Karnataka also. And Anil Kumble, to talk about Anil Kumble, his contribution to Indian cricket was so much. Okay, they have given a lots of pride to India, and they had been one among the greatest Indian cricket players. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this class and you all came to know the person, the Anil Kumble, about Anil Kumble. So in the next class, I will see you all. Until then, it's bye from Nandini. Take care. Bye. Cheers.